Okay, hello everybody. My name is Miss Bahara. Today we are going to be learning about number bonds. Basically, they're something to do with math. Really. So first, the top one is always will be the total of the thing. So let's say 10 is our total. And now we have to find two numbers that adds up to 10. So let's say 5 plus 5 equals 10. So in one side we would put 5, and in another we would put 5 because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if you wanted to write an equation for that, you would do 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then there's your answer. Let's do another one. So let's say we're getting to 5. Let's say we're getting to 5. What two parts would be equal to 5? Two parts would be equal to 5 would be 3 and 2, because 3 and then you just add 2 more, you count up to 5. Okay, so 3 and 2 equals to 5, because 3 and then 4, 5. So everybody got that one. Now we are going to move on to tens and ones. So we're going to have a category, and one's going to be in ones, one's going to be in tens. So let's label this one ones, and let's label this one tens. If you couldn't spell these, you could put a T under this one and an O under this one. But I just write the whole thing. So let's say our whole number is 20. How much tens and how much ones would it take to get to 20? It would take 2 tens, so we would have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our first 10. And then we would do another bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 tens equal to 20. If you want, and there would be 0 ones, because this is the tens, so you can see there's 2. And this is the ones that you can see is 0. So, if this is 20 and there's 2 tens, what equation would we do for this? We would do 10 plus 10, because there's 2 tens. So we would do 10 plus 10 equals 20. And that is how you do tens and ones. We're going to do another practice one. let's do another practice one. And this time, the whole number is 35. That's our whole number. So, if our whole number is in the tens, there would be 3 tens. This is the tens, and there's 3 tens in the category. So we would write 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our first bundle of 10, so that's 10 right now. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our second bundle, and that will get us to 20. Then our third bundle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then our third bundle will get us to 30. So then let's see how much ones we have. On our ones we have 5, so we would write 5 circles in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is 30 in the tens and 5 in the ones. And what will that get us to? That will get us to 35. So our equation will be 30 plus 5 equals 35. And let's say these were apples. We would label this apples. Or you could just do A. So 30 plus 5 equals 35 apples. Now we are going to be doing addition. Addition is quite easy. We are going to do this like vertical down straight. Some people call this the hamburger way of doing the number sentence. So let's do 18 plus 5. That's in the hamburger way, but this is in the hot dog way. And we don't know the answer, but when you're regrouping, it's much easier to look here, like do this in the hamburger way. So 8 and 5, we all know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we would take 2 away from the 5, and that will leave us with a 2. But there is also a 10 over here. So that will get us, this is the 10, and there's 2 away from here. And then there's 3 here. So the 10 and the 3 would equal 13. But you're like, I can't fit a 13 over here without going over here. So what you would do is put the 3 under here in the ones column. And then if you wanted to represent the 10, you would put it on the, people call this is actually the equal sign, this line. So that's another 10 in the tens column. And that, and 1 plus 1 equals 2, so that would get us to 2. So 18 plus 5 equals 23. So that's that for the addition. We're going to do now subtraction in the hamburger way. Thank you for listening to my teaching today. Have a great day.